The civil works stage often involves bulk excavation, detailed site grading and preparation for built structures. Single or multi-level basements involve retaining structures such as piers, anchors and shotcrete walls. Groundwater retention and removal systems are installed. During building construction, we install driveways, car parks and liaise with local councils to comply with relevant requirements. We have extensive experience in concreting works, including footing systems, slabs, columns and other structures. Once we start building above ground, we install suspended concrete decks and precast panels, or utilise a variety of lightweight structural systems, all depending on specific project requirements. Efficiencies can be achieved by utilising steel structural systems. These are particularly beneficial for industrial buildings. We take advantage of prefabrication whenever possible in order to increase speed and safety of construction. We manage safe and efficient installation of various cladding methods and systems. Whether simple or state-of-the-art, we are equipped to manage the design, installation and commissioning of various building services. These may include mechanical, plumbing, electrical, fire or other specialist systems as required. We are well versed in all aspects of commercial carpentry. Internal linings including plasterboard, fire-rated systems, prefabricated walling and architectural features. Bringing the construction stage to completion and handing the building over to our clients is a rewarding and exciting next step in the project lifecycle. After champagne corks are popped, we attend to ongoing maintenance.